Back to my channel, and I'm going to show you one photo shooting equipment, and you can see that this is the product which I am talking about. So I'm going to open this thing and you can see what is that in that. This is MagMod MagBox diffuser. I will open it, and this is Octa MagBox for 24 Octa. So this is the product. You can see this type of lighting. So this one is look like, I guess this is a picture of that product, and this is specification. You can see. So I'm going to open this thing. This is the product which I'm going to open. Every video I am saying that the product which I am showing, that product is for sale, and if anybody required, will give in very low price. You can see this is the quality of that thing, and you can see some kind of cloth. So this is the thing in that box. So I'm going to keep it here, and going to show you some other accessories came with that thing. So this is a MagMod MagBox Speedring Adapter, and this is packed, and this one is some kind of filter. This is a MagBox Artistic Gels. So you can see all these things. This is speed ring. This is box packed and new. You can see this is the MagBox Speed RF01 barcode and the serial number. Now this one is diffuser. This one is also new. So I'm going to show you some here. This one is a diffuser, all packed, seal packed. So it's my request to subscribe my channel, and you will get very good discount if somebody says that I am a subscriber of a channel. And if anybody want, and if anybody wanted to buy, they can contact us, and we definitely sell. So these are the 1, 2 and 3, and this one is 4th. All 4 things I would like to sell. So now you can see the condition. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks.